Not sure how much paint you need? Save time and money with the Lowe's paint calculator. Hi, I'm Deandra. Let's get to painting. The Lowe's paint calculator tells you just how much paint you need. First, you're going to measure out the length, the width, and the height of the room, and then count the windows and the doors. Let's add in the coverage for the primer and the finish, and voila! You'll get the perfect amount of paint no matter the room size. A good rule of thumb, if you're going from lighter to darker, you only need 1 coat of paint. Now this is what I like to call the P-zone. Prep, prime, protect, and paint. Let's start by prepping your space and filling in any holes, and then sanding and priming if you need to. Next, we're gonna throw down the drop cloths and then tape the trim. So now we're ready for the most important P, painting. And I like to use a W and then fill it in. Now we're gonna do the bottom half. Make another W and then fill it in. Then we're gonna roll over both sections and boom, it's done. Take a look at this color. Remember to like, comment, and share, and let me know what DIY project we should do next.